Every night, Mia dreamed of running. The landscapes would change, forests, cities, deserts, but the running never stopped. A faceless figure always chased her, its footsteps heavy, growing louder with every passing second. No matter how fast she ran, it always gained on her. Yet, every night, Mia would wake up just before it caught her. Safe again. Until the night she didn't. It began like every other dream, running through a fog-choked forest, branches snapping beneath her feet. But this time, she could feel the figure was closer than ever. She pushed herself harder, her heart hammering in her chest. Then something different happened. She tripped. Mia hit the ground hard, the breath knocked from her lungs. She tried to scramble back up, but it was too late. Cold, shadowy hands wrapped around her ankle. A voice, low, hissing, whispered in her ear,
"You can't wake up."
And she didn't. The next morning, her roommates found her in bed, perfectly still, as if peacefully asleep. No matter how much they shook her, Mia wouldn't wake. They called doctors, specialists, anyone who could explain what had happened. She was alive, but trapped in a coma that no one could break. Weeks passed. Her body was kept alive by machines, but her mind remained lost. What they didn't know was that Mia was still running. In the dream, the faceless figure had caught her, dragging her into a world where time moved differently, where waking up was no longer an option. She could hear the voices of her friends and family, muffled and distant, like echoes from another dimension. But she couldn't reach them. And every night, as Mia ran, the figure whispered the same thing in her ear, over and over again.
"Soon, I'll come for them too."
Now, Mia is not the only one running in her dreams.